Hi, day 11. Have a phone free afternoon or day or night. Shut your tablet off or your computer. Screen time has actually shown that it increases not mental health, but it actually increases depression, signs of depression. So shut off sometimes the screen, take care of yourself, take a walk in nature, and don't look at the screen for a whole night or a whole afternoon. How long can you actually go without looking at your screen? I admit I use my phone a lot. Sometimes I need to put my phone in the bedroom. Actually, my bedroom is on the top floor, because then I don't have it right beside me for me just reaching for it. So keeping my phone or devices out of reach actually helps me for not looking at it. So today, for the day 11, is about turning off your phone or your device that you are looking at. This actually helps for mental health. Take care, stay safe.